What's good with y'all? What's good? We back for another video, man. Just got finished working out at the house, of course. Still staying productive, man. Hope everybody out there staying productive through all this craziness and all that. But y'all see I'm still hitting y'all with the videos. About to head to the shop and get this stuff done for Meech. Cause remember I told y'all the problem with the intake, so I'm about to get that situated. A distributor and get the drive shaft, see if I can find the right length drive shaft. Cause ran into that problem, which I didn't tell y'all cause I had cut the video, but the drive shaft too long. I don't remember telling y'all, but yeah, the drive shaft too long. But I knew that anyway. You're gonna have to change the drive shaft cause the back of a 8.5 is different than a 7.5 rear end. So that's something to know. You swap rear ends, 9 times out of 10 you're gonna have to do some drive shaft modification, unless you got a whole entire car. Like if I had a 9C1 with a factory motor and transmission in it, I could have got that drive shaft and it would have went right in its place. But if you're taking one out of a 7.5 car, you're gonna have to change it. But other than that, I got everything loaded up, got drive shaft in there. It's 57 inches. I'm probably gonna get it by 55, 54 and a half or something like that, 54 and 3/4. But yeah, let's get to the shop, see what Unc got, and then I'm gonna catch y'all there. Alright, so I made it to the shop. Measuring it out again, cause see it was way longer. I didn't tell y'all in the other vlog cause we had cut it off. This was 57 inches. This is what I was telling y'all about. Rick car had a 7.5 in it, but the back of the rims are different.
And the round body longer than the box.
It is.
The wheelbase is different. The
wheelbase. Oh, okay. I ain't know that, y'all. I didn't know that. So the wheelbase is different. That's what. Okay. So I ain't know that. But yeah. But if it's too long, you can make it work. It's all good. If it's too short, ain't nothing you can do about that. But yeah. So get this situated. Intake. Like I told y'all about the intake. Unc taught me this years ago. Like years ago, cause he done built me an engine before that had the throttle body heads on it, had to do this, and that when he first taught me. It was my first engine, matter of fact. My first engine I ever built. Which I'm talking about a combination with all. He tried to tell me, and I had a cam I had bought from a friend, man. I was like, got to have it. He said the motor run better, man, if you don't put that cam in there. The combination way off. I know what I know now, but he tried to tell me. But yeah, he finna cut it right. These bolt holes right here. So I'm gonna show y'all see the before, and then y'all gonna see how it look. But what happened when you try to run the bolts in there, it interferes with this part right here. So you have to open it up. The top of it right there, the bolts are hit. So he about to get this thing hooked up. And they sell an intake. They sell the right intake for them motors, but I caught a deal on this, so you know it is what it is.
put it on and had to take it back off.
Yep. Yeah, I already know. So he just taking it now. You said you have to put washers on, right?
Yeah, you gotta put flat washers on all the time.
Flat washers, y'all, not lock washers. And it will not leak. Before somebody get in the comments saying it's gonna leak, it won't leak.
It won't leak. You put them flat washers on it.
Yes, I done ran intakes on this type of intake on my motor before. Meaning, I'm talking about the one that been slotted. Never had problem. I'm pretty sure some of y'all in the comment probably done did it before too. Or you can widen the holes out.
Well, the intake you buy, the intake is made. It comes up further, and it's got a press slot in it.
Yeah, they got them pieces, don't it? Come with it. Yeah, that's why I'm telling y'all you can't get the right intake, but if you don't have it, like this is an option.
Because the bolt in this head is more straight up than that right angle. And then you put flat washers up on them. I'll give them to you. I got some.
Alright. So that right there gonna get it.
Alright, I don't get it.
So we'll be good to go, y'all. I'm gonna put me in the game, get in the washers, and we'll be able to bolt it back on this time. Let it stay.
Yeah, that'll work. Right there, perfect.
I see. Quick work. You been?
Newbie, where you been, man? Newbie been fighting, man. Newbie, he grew up. Now he want to fight. He go out there and fight.
Look, y'all. Hey,
he think you're a pit cat.
Been getting down, man. Killer. Oh, he gone.
Look at the scar. Got a
oh yeah. he been putting that work in, y'all. All right. So, Unc got the Driveshaft, got everything. Just put me in the game. We just swapped out. So, got me the Driveshaft. I need 54 inches. So it's 3 inches shorter. We should put it dead up in the game, cause you know this do not supposed to go all the way up in there. I can't show y'all, cause like I said, we had stopped recording at night, but the slip yoke was completely inside the transmission up the hill, and it still was hanging out about that much. So that's why like this gonna be in the money, cause you got the lid. Y'all see what this one was riding. And this was like when the suspension dropping stuff, you know, that slips up in there. So you do not want that. You're going to tear some stuff up. You do.
Blow your intake off a little bit. Okay.
Appreciate that. Put me in the game. SHOWTIME screw. Only thing we need now, you got a distributor I can buy from you.
Gotcha.
ATI distributor. Then
what all you need? You need this distributor. You need cap and all.
Yeah, the cap, the cap, distributor and cap.
Charge for that.
Hey, ain't no problem. Ain't no problem. Y'all know, I said in another video, I do pay my aunt and my people, like Rick and all that. Oh yeah, Aunt say I can't get everything free, and I ain't looking for it, cause he helped me out so much. But like I said, people be thinking, oh yeah, got me in the game, went out there and got it. People be thinking I be getting stuff free, man. I don't. I mean.
No, he pay like you would.
Yeah, I pay, man. I take care of my uncle. Everybody gotta eat. He take care of me now. Don't get me wrong. He helped me out like he just helped me out with that little intake stuff, you know. But we look out for each other. Yeah, we got everything. We good to go now. So I'm gonna get back to the house. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, so I'm back. Y'all see I got the exhaust. Did I show y'all? I don't even think I showed y'all this. Or did I? Yes, I did. I showed y'all this. I can't remember. I'm trying to make sure I show y'all everything. But yeah, I already tested the exhaust too. I put it up to the header to make sure it was a 3-inch, or I measured it too. It'll bolt right up. I tried that before we even put the header in the car. So that'll be a video too. I'll be showing y'all how to do that right at home. I need to go buy me another jack stand. I bought 2 more. I ain't even show y'all that. I've been making part run. Didn't even show y'all. I got 2 more jack stand. Jack stand. I was trying to say ton. Jack stands though, 6 ton. Hold on, I'm trying to get this thing right for y'all. There we go. But yeah, got that. I need some 3 ton cars. Sometimes I don't need to put the car up that high. I always bought them kind of cars. If I need to take a transmission out, I like the car high off the ground. So I'm probably gonna pick up 2 more 3-ton jack stand. 2 more, I don't even have 3-ton, but I'm gonna pick up 2 3-ton jack stand car. I'm definitely gonna need them for this. But I'm gonna hook this exhaust up. I'm gonna give y'all a separate video for that, show you how you can do that. This system came off a box Chevy, and I'm gonna need the jack stand to hold it up. Cause I'm gonna take me a clothes hanger. I'm gonna show all that. But like I said, Unc put me in the game. This the drive shaft, laying beside. This the drive shaft that came out of Big Meech, which is I had a 400. It's the one I had when I run the big block still, and I can tell called the yoke. This is not a regular GM yoke. This is a strange engineering yoke. You see, it's thicker. It's a lot thicker right here. This thing, I paid like $120 just for this. It might have been more than that. It weighed more than what it would cost to just get a regular 400 yoke. I know that. And I just didn't even need that really, but you know, heavy duty yoke. But this drive shaft was the same length as the drive shaft that I needed cut. But as y'all can see, we in the game. So this gonna go dead up in there. This drive shaft is 54 inches. It's 3 inches shorter than this one. This one 57, just like the one I just showed y'all at the shop where I just swapped out with Unc. But this gonna put it dead up in the game. So we got that right there. Like I said, the caps, still got the caps and all that. So good to go. But 3 inches shorter, so it's gonna go jam up in there perfect. I'm gonna hold on to this right here. Well, I'm probably gonna sell it. I'm probably gonna sell the drive shaft car. We're going in Meech might tear this all to pieces. I'm pretty sure it will. I'm gonna keep that yoke though. But somebody need a drive shaft that'll fit a 400. They got a 400 in the box here with an 8.5 ring. This is what you need right here. Go dead up in there. But yeah, so Unc put me in the game right there, and then you see a better look. He cut that intake, and like he said, I will be blowing it out with the compressed air. He gave me the bolts I need in the washers. Unc always look out for me. So that's ready to go. So no more holdups, no more hiccups on Big Meech. So when Rick come, we got that block out too. When Rick come, gonna have everything we need, man. It's just gonna roll and we're gonna be good to go. So yeah, like I said, so I got a couple more videos. That one, the next video y'all get a Meech, it should be actually fired up and running. Then we're gonna do this. I'm gonna do a video on this. And then I got, I found some rims. Benches, they some benches. I love them benches. That's what I was looking for Dolo. Y'all see how they look. I like benches. I actually like them rims. I found a deal on some 26s. I'm gonna try to go make time and go grab them if my schedule work out, cause we got a lot of stuff going on. Even the home projects and stuff too. I got a whole lot of stuff going on. Me and wife and everything. We got home project going on too. So it's gonna be a lot of work going on outside. So I'm trying to make some time to go get with the person. I ain't even contact my car. I don't contact people unless I'm ready that day, right then. Like, hey, when I contact you, I'm ready to buy something, or I'm ready to use your service or whatever. I'm not finna talk you to death. Like, I'm ready to do business. So I'm not finna contact the person, whoever. I don't know who it is. I don't personally know them. I found them on Marketplace. But I'm not gonna contact them until I know I can get out there and set a date, official day. Well, look, can we make it happen this day? Or even whatever the day I choose to message them. But I found some. I'm gonna put them on Meech, and it's solely for the purpose of lowering the rear end ratio. And I want to do some videos to show y'all the difference. Since I'll be having a stock motor in the car, cause some people want to see this. So I'm gonna get some good content for y'all too. Why Meech got this 305 in it to show y'all how putting a rear end. A ring and pinion in your rear end affects how your car performs and pulls, whether it's on the 15, which I'm gonna show y'all the difference on the 15, whether you got an overdrive transmission or whether you're on a big wheel. Cause some people in this same situation, they got stock motors, but they got stock rear ends right now. But they want to put wheels on them. They want to see where the RPMs will be at. They want to know, or can they go overdrive? How will the overdrive perform on the wheels? So I'm gonna be giving y'all all that content. So yeah, just all I can say is just stay tuned, man. When Meech get running, we're gonna be doing some fun stuff. I'm definitely gonna see some tire smoke. Definitely, cause I want to show y'all when you put a gear, even though it's a 305, when you got a gear behind something, boy, you can make it happen. You can make it happen. I'm telling you, make all the difference in the world. But that's it. I'm just keeping y'all up to date. I ain't want to just pop up on the video and be like, hey y'all, I got this done, I got this done. I want to show y'all how you perform those cuts if you want to do it yourself. And I would have did it myself. I got an air compressor, I just didn't have the cutting wheel and the tool. So I had to go holler at but I want to show y'all that. Show y'all how you can take exhaust off another car and make it work and all that stuff. So just stay tuned, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was raining today, so I couldn't get out there and mess with the car no way. But I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow on the next video.